Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show. For you today, we have a 5-cheese pepperoni pizza. All right, to start off with, the sauce. This is my standard pizza sauce. I'll tell you how to make it. It's real easy to do. You take one can, a 20-ounce can of tomato sauce, a tablespoon of olive oil, 3 cloves of minced garlic, a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of balsamic vinegar, a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, a teaspoon of black pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. You put all that in a little crock pot, and you stir that around, mix it obviously, and then heat that for, I'd say, at least an hour. Again, it's one of those things that turn it on low. You can start that way early in the day. And then we want to add this to our pizza. And the first of our cheeses is mozzarella and provolone. Again, be generous. And then we want to add some Monterey Jack. And then we want a nice dusting of Parmesan cheese. And followed by another dusting of Romano cheese. See, I told you we'd get to 5. And then you want to add some pepperonis. And then you want to pop this into a 550-degree oven till the edges are golden brown and the cheese is nice and melty and bubbly. And through the magic of cooking show editing, our pizza is done. So, that's a 5-cheese pepperoni pizza. Done.